I love them all. They're all great. But if you guys like the video, please stay till the end so you can see all of the... What?
You have to tell us what your favorite piece is at the end.
No,
Yes.
I can't because I didn't film that part.
No, at the end you do an outro where you say, okay guys, so my favorite piece was actually blah blah blah.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really cool video for you guys. I'm going to be showing you my Betsey Johnson jewelry collection. Now I do have a whole bunch because last year and this year, you know, in the beginning of the year, I was on a shopping spree for a whole bunch of Betsey Johnson jewelry. I did buy a ton of it. Some of it still has the tags because unfortunately we haven't been able to go out. But I thought it would be really cool to show you guys what you could save if you went to places like Maxx and bought this jewelry as opposed to if you went to like Dillard's or Macy's or bought it online. So in this video, I'm going to be comparing the prices. And I wanted to break it down into themes because I do have a lot of jewelry. So this video, I'm going to break it down into the butterfly themed collection that I have. I'm going to be showing you guys at the end of the video too what my favorite pieces are. So stay tuned for that and comment down below. Let me know what your guys' favorite pieces are. Let me know if you guys like this video, if you want to see more of my collection. So the first piece I'm going to show you guys is something that I'm not quite sure is a butterfly. I think it's probably more of a moth. It just looks like one of those big lunar moths. It's also a statement piece. I love the cute little detail on it, the face, the colors. I have worn this one before, so it doesn't have the tag anymore, but I do believe this is a Maxx purchase that I got right before quarantine. I did get to wear it one time only, so I'm super happy that I actually got to wear this one. Really beautiful. Look at the detail on the back. Super glittery. I think it's very on trend right now, especially with the 2000s. I remember a lot of butterfly detail was super popular back then, so I just really love this one. I really think it's cute. Now another necklace I got around the same time was this really cute, but it's smaller, and I like that. I appreciate that it's smaller because when it is smaller you can kind of wear it somewhere, you know, that's less formal, I guess you could say. This one I did get it at Maxx, so it retails around $52. Then I got it for $16.99. Pretty crazy. That's why I love Maxx. You can actually find a lot of great designer jewelry, a whole lot cheaper than what you would actually get it. Now I do like that it's more of a necklace and not just a statement piece, so you can kind of wear it, you know, out anywhere. And I think it goes really cute with this one too. I think it's kind of like the pair. I want to say this was from last year's collection. So because it is from Maxx, I have seen that sometimes they do have repeat pieces from other years. So I'm actually not quite sure if this is from last year, 2019, or if it's just a repeat from other years, but still nonetheless super cute. Look at that pearl detail. I love it. Now another piece that I wanted to show were these cute little earrings. Now they don't go too well with that collection, but they're also butterfly. I think they're super adorable. I think what I like about these is you can wear one in each ear and it's kind of like you're the butterfly in the middle. I don't know, it's just super cute. This, I don't know if this is the right price for it, but honestly it probably does look around something that they would retail for. I got them at Maxx, I'm pretty sure about that. And I also got them probably in the beginning of last year or in the middle. Really cute colors, super purple, just cute. I love them. Alright, so moving on, here are a little dangly earrings that I love. I love these, they're so cute. Super adorable with your hair up. I think I did get to wear these, so I'm really happy about it. I know this is not the price though. $48 would be way too much. But I did get them at Maxx as well, so that's pretty cool. Probably around $15, $16.99. I don't think I really got them for, you know, over 20 bucks. Really cute. Look at that detail. I love butterflies. I just love them. Alright, so moving on. Another cool piece. Really big statement necklace is this really cute butterfly. It just has those really pretty flowers. And it has a little blue on there. I think that's really cute. Because it just would be too pink if it just had the pink flowers. And then on the back, it's really cute. I don't know if I actually wore this one at any time this year or last year. Obviously not this year, especially with everything going on. But I do think this one was probably around 30 to 40 bucks. It's really cute. The only thing I actually don't like about it is this. I don't like that chain. But I do like the butterfly, and I think by itself, like with your hair up, that looks super adorable. Alright, let's see, what else do I have? So these earrings are super, super comfy. Really cute. Style them up, style them down. Not sure this is the price either, but I know I also got them last year. Really cute. I like these colors, I really do. And it's got little rhinestones. Super cute. Definitely wear them out. What do they say on here? Yeah. Really cute. I think my favorite part of these two is just, it's kind of like the other ones that I just showed you guys. So it's almost like, you know, one part. And the cool thing is, around that time, I remember getting the bracelet, just like it. So I think that's really cool. So you have the bracelet, and then you have the matching earrings. Now the thing I like about this bracelet though, is it's just the cuff. I love the cuff ones. So you don't have to like try and, you know, open it or anything. That's pretty cool. This one, I believe, let's see how much it retails for. So if you were to go to like Dillard's, Macy's, you'd be paying $65 for it. Really cute. I feel like there's something missing here. I think there is. But you know what's crazy? I don't think I remember it falling off, which is weird. See, now you have me thinking, was there something there? I think there was. But nonetheless, it still looks really cute. Now I'm just curious to know if I actually bought it this way and I didn't realize it, because it's still cute. It's still cute by itself. Now, how much did I pay for it? Let's see. At TJ Maxx, $19.99. So it's not that bad. I'm just confused though. I did move recently, so I know that some of these pieces, they may have not seen the best care. Not on my part, but now I'm curious. But it's really cute. I love it. I love the details on it. Super cute. Alright. Now the cool thing is, there is another bracelet I have that goes with it. Now this piece, super amazing. Super cute. These, I know, I don't really have the price for this because I want to say I did try to wear it. These usually retail around $85 online or Dillard's. But it's really cute. And it goes with the bracelet that I just showed you guys. So that's pretty cool. Really cute. They're really chunky though, because sometimes when I wear them, my hand gets tired. They're just super big. But they're really pretty. They are a magnet closure, so I would just be careful when wearing this bracelet, but it's still cute. Let's try it on. Let's see what it looks like. Ah, my fat wrist. Something like that. Super cute. Alright. Now, during that time, luckily, I found the Statement butterfly necklace. Look how cute that is. I love the little dangly. Oh, that is so cute. Really pretty. Really pretty. Again, sometimes I'm not a really big fan of the actual chain on them. I don't know. It doesn't do it for me. But it's cute nonetheless. Super chunky. Really pretty. Now let's see how much this retails for. So this one, let's see. Retails for, where's it at? $95. I don't know that I believe that. but probably there's some pieces that I've paid, you know, retail price for, I guess, full retail price. But this one I got it for $29.99. Not bad, not bad. I really like it. Can't wait to wear this one. I think the colors are super beautiful. It's just a really cute piece. Now let's see what we have left. Alright, so this is another statement piece. Really cute. I think I did wear this one only because the tag's not on there. But it's really cute. I love it. I like the colors on this. I think this breaks away from all the purple and blue that we've been seeing. Pink. This is cute. This is more going towards fall. This one I actually like the chain on it. I don't think the chain is that bad. It's pretty cute. It does look a little tacky, but yeah, you know. You can always pull it off. Love the colors. And on the back, it's like resin. Really cute. Now with this one, I did actually get, well, I don't know if they're matching. What do you think? I think they're matching. So. I probably wouldn't wear them together just because these are, you know, like dangling earrings. And that's already such a big piece. But these are really cute too. I love the colors. I think they're more fall. I want to see this was from the fall collection last year. But original 42. And let's see what I paid for it. $16.99. Not bad. Not bad. Super cute. They're super cute. I don't think this butterfly color is as popular as the other ones though. But you can do a whole bunch of different outfits with these fall colors. And I like the little blue body of the butterfly, so I think that's cute too. Right. Let's see what else we have left. I want to say I showed these to you guys already, but I'm not sure. I think I have a couple different butterfly ones like these. So I don't know. Let's see what else we have. Alright, next up. This is less of a statement piece. It's more like everyday wear. I would wear it every day. I really think this is more of a slim piece that you can kind of wear out. Has that cute little butterfly. Has that cute little, I don't even know what that is, but that's cute. It's like a little fly with eyes. Another butterfly, some flowers. I really like on this one the chain, of course. I just like these smaller chains. And then it does have this cute little, that is super adorable, safety pin. Let's see if it has it on the other side. Nope, it doesn't. Let's see what it retails for. So this one retails for $68. I got it for $19.99. Not bad, not bad. This one probably would go really cute with some of the other earrings. That way they're not so bulky with the statement piece jewelry. Cute. Alright, let's see what we have left. So with that one, actually I think would go really well, this bracelet. I think this bracelet is super everyday, just because it's not as bulky as the other bracelets that I showed. And it still has kind of like that on-trend butterfly vibe. Let's see how much it was. So it's crazy. 65. And let's see how much it is. At TJ Maxx. 24. $24.99. Not bad. I think it's cute. I haven't worn it out, but I should just wear it. It's cute. Super cute. Alright, so last but not least, I have another big chunky bracelet. Check this out, you guys. It does have some butterfly accent. That's why I wanted to show it in this video. I do have a whole bunch more, but it's just super full of fun stuff. Look, it has another butterfly here. There's a couple little pearls. I think it's a flower. More flowers. More butterflies. Really chunky. It's actually pretty heavy. And the chain on the back. It's pretty heavy. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chains. It's cute. definitely something you would wear on its own. Super cute. Let's see what it retails for, because I didn't have the price on the other one. This one retails for $165 and I got it for $39. Wow, that's a big price difference. I mean, you do save a lot though when you go shopping at TJ Maxx for jewelry. Especially, I always love to find the Betsey Johnson jewelry. But I'm going to try to venture out into different brands once quarantine is over. I'm super excited. So, I don't know. Look, there's a little bird on there. Super cute. So that's pretty much it. Alright, so do you guys have your favorite piece? Comment down below, let me know. I lied, I know I said it was going to be butterfly themed, but my actual favorite ones are the moth ones. They're just really shimmery and I think they're really cute colors. So those are my favorite. What do you guys think? Let me know. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching.